My first question is to Priyanka Kakkar. Twins in of the BJP, Karan Verma, right-leaning, Jyotsna Tinugare, TDP, Pankaj Sharma, pro-Congress, Pulla Rao, pro-DMK.
अब गड़बड़ी हुई है, हम नहीं किए हैं तो हमको क्या पता चलेगा कि गड़बड़ी हुई है नहीं। जो किया है उसको पता नहीं चल रहा है।
आपको क्या लगता है?
हमको तो लग रहा है कि गड़बड़ी है, मगर गड़बड़ी जो किया है उसको क्या लग रहा है नहीं गड़बड़ी है। उसको अगर नहीं लग रहा है तो वो समझे, वो उसका काम समझे, हम क्या जानते हैं।
किसी का फोन आया किसी अधिकारी?
नहीं, मेरे पास किसी का फोन नहीं आया।
Okay, now the point here is, it's a serious point. You use a person's name and her picture. Do you owe her an apology? Pankaj, does Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Vadra owe her an apology? How would you feel if your name and picture was used, misappropriated and used for a selfish political reason like this?
Minta Devi is saying गड़बड़ी हुई है, जिसने की है वो
Minta
जाने।
Devi, 1 minute. Does she look like a 124-year-old woman to you?
But then the age
So why make
recorded in
false
the voter
claims?
list is
The point is,
124
why
years.
make false claims?
Arnab,
This is so wrong,
Because the age
viewers.
recorded
It's
in
so
the
wrong.
voters list is
No.
124 years.
No. This is,
You
I
must
mean,
have
if,
seen a
you know,
voter list today from Varanasi.
Pankaj.
Give me a minute.
No, Pankaj, this has become a predictable strategy of lying, and this will have to be called out now because this political strategy is not in national interest. Every time Congress loses an election, you level wild allegations without providing any evidence.
Or not? It
Every
belongs to
time-
booth number 206. The list contains the different names of voters registered on one address, B24/19.
You are only
Give me
trying
1
to.
minute.
This is
Out
no,
of these 50
1 minute,
people,
1 minute.
50
Just, you
50
cannot
people-
come out and say what you want. I want Jyotsna to come and see. Pankaj, you can
50
say anything.
people-
Pankaj,
50
listen,
people-
Pankaj,
See, the funniest thing
I can
is
also say that you have 100 Rohingyas living in your house. There will have to be a formal investigation.
See, the-
Now,
see,
for
the
a formal
funniest thing
investigation
is
to
the
happen,
name of the
you have to
father
file a formal
of the
complaint. You can't
50
subvert the
persons
entire process like
Ram
this.
Kamal Das.
You
Name
lose
of the
an
father of
election,
these
viewers.
50
I just ask you
persons
this.
is Ram
It
Kamal
is-
Das. So Lord Rama is there, Lotus
Okay.
flower is
Now-
there. Do
now
you think
sup-
it could be
no,
human
no,
error?
no.
That a man has 50 children between
No,
the
you
age
can't
of
make up these
28 and 72,
Panchatantra stories
and
out
all
here.
are
Listen.
living in the same premises and Prime
Just
Minister's
Pankaj,
constituency in Varanasi.
Pankaj, listen here. I'm being very calm and quiet about this. I'm going to open the lines, viewers. But you want to flood public discourse with all kinds of fake news. At some point, you can't. Your idea is to undermine
Please,
trust of the
have you-
people of
have
the
you-
country
have
and the
you
world
heard Mr.
in our
O.P.
country's
Rawat?
democracy, and against that we will fight. Jyotsna.
कोई राहुल गांधी जी को ये क्यों नहीं समझाते कि ये वोट चोरी का ड्रामा ना करो आप, खाली जाके एक एफिडेविट साइन कर दो आप, एक एफिडेविट साइन करो
What is
या
the
फिर
deadline?
जाके माफी मांगो।
How do you know
सिंपल सी
this?
बात है, या तो एफिडेविट साइन करो जैसे इसी ने पूछा है कि आप ये
Affidavit,
क्लेम कर रहे हो
there
कि
is no
1 लाख
need of
वोट
any
गायब है
affidavit.
फेक वोट से।
Have you
तो उसके
heard,
बारे में
have you
affidavit
heard
साइन-
what Mr. O.P. Rawat, who was 22nd Chief Election Commissioner of India, said
you have to hold on,
50 days
फेक
ago?
नैरेटिव ना बिल्ड करो आप, फेक नैरेटिव ना बिल्ड करो।
O.P.
अब एक ही चीज है,
Have you
राजनाथ
heard
जी ने
O.P.
एक बात
Rawat?
बोला है, इन लोगों को गुस्सा आ गया।
He was
ये लोग
22nd Chief
सर, एक
Election
मिनट,
Commissioner
मुझे
of
बात करने
India.
दीजिए, पंकज जी बात करने दीजिए।
He says that in his time,
ये
if
आपका
any important
ये
leader of
आपका
any
फेक
political
नैरेटिव बिल्ड
party
करने का
raised
प्लेटफॉर्म
any
नहीं है।
matter
ये
regarding
बिल्कुल
election
फेक
process,
नैरेटिव बिल्ड करने का
Commission
प्लेटफॉर्म
never
नहीं है।
approved
दिस इज आवर
any
प्लेटफॉर्म टू
formal
स्पीक
complaint.
द सिटीजंस वॉइस, रिपब्लिक
He
इज
says
सिटीजंस
we
वॉइस, यू
always
हैव टू लेट स्पीक
slow motor
नाउ।
action.
There is a minister who is expelled from his ministry because he spoke the truth. Now, D.K. Shiv Kumar, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of a state, says that we bow, not his words, Arnab ji. He says we bow to the decision of our High Command. So where are we? Are we living in a king's reel? We are going down to the king. Is it what is democracy that they are talking about? जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का जो किताब लेके घूमते हैं राहुल गांधी जी, उसमें यही सिखाया गया उन लोगों को। अब एक और चीज बताइए सर, आज they have a problem. Sir, 1 second, Pankaj, you have to let me speak. I'm sorry, you have to let me speak. At least you are making a mockery of democracy in the country. You are making a mockery of the institutions of the country.
Allah, yaar, on the right, who's directing?
Mockery of the
Set window, set guess.
in the country. Now, sir, one more thing. Sir, one more thing.
Listen.
is making a mockery of
Arey, take Pankaj off for a while and get Pulla, and I'm saying I'm having to direct the program. 1 minute. My director is not listening to me. Pankaj, tell me, What control does the election
say
commission
that.
have over dead people? Now you are saying, why have the dead people died? Did the dead people ask the election commission before deciding to die?
Amarji, do you
What?
very
No,
well
I
the
want to
term
know. What does the
political
Rahul Gandhi want?
Election
That people who
commission
are
is
dying
not
go to the
giving
election
breakup.
commission, ask for permission, and then decide to die.
Election
So there is
Commission
no
has
political
refused to give
reaction for Rahul
the
Gandhi.
breakup, the details
Hare Baba.
of the deletion. How many people were?
I'm going to get
deleted
unwell now if
because
it
of what
continues like
reasons?
this. What is the logic here? Yeah? What are you guys doing, Pankaj? 7 lakh are
Election
duplicate.
Commission has refused in the Supreme Court. It has refused to give the breakup, the details.
And people have died. What details do you want? They're dead.
How many people, how many names were deleted? because
22 lakh
somebody
have died.
Or because of this reason or that reason. Election Commission is saying
Karan, please respond to this. I have no
we are
idea.
not, we are not, we are not
Arnab,
supposed to give the details.
It's unbelievable.
We are not
Their
by the law.
ignorance.
कुछ भी
Their
बोलो, कुछ भी.
ignorance is
Truth चोरी बंद कीजिए.
Election, State Election Commission refused
Let
to give the
Election
details.
Commission
जाइए ना सुप्रीम कोर्ट. कौन रोक रहा है आपको सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाने से?
Why Election Commission is
Why
refusing
election
to-
commission? Why supreme court? अरे कहाँ जाए?
The election commission has given the information to the political party.
Open the lines, people.
Public, you don't even know
No,
what
in
is
the
happening
Supreme
in the
Court.
Okay,
Why
we're
not in
opening
the
lines.
Supreme Court?
We're opening lines.
There is no straw
Shashank
in
walked
your
from
beard.
Pune. Shashank.
There is no straw in your beard, then why are you refusing to provide machine
Shashank,
readable
are you there?
voters?
Are you
May I
there?
come in?
Shashank.
May I come in?
Shashank.
I'm Shashank here. May I come in?
Please come in, Shashank. Please come in. Yes.
Yes. I'm 68 years old.
Anyway, I will wrap it here, ladies and gentlemen.